5 Best Homemade Blackhead Remover Scrubs. Every girl wants smooth, clear skin, but little monsters like acne, blackheads and other breakouts don't let your dream come true. Blackheads can be caused due to stress, hormonal changes, sleeping with makeup, smoking, pollution, etc. Visiting a parlor every time you see blackhead formation is not possible. Don't worry, you can also treat blackheads easily at home. Here are 5 best blackhead scrubs that can help you get rid of these little monsters easily and conveniently. 1. Salt Blackhead Scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon distilled water in a bowl. Apply this scrub on your face and gently scrub for 5 to 10 minutes in circular motion. Salt removes dead skin and excess oil from face, which eventually prevents blackheads. Repeat it 2 times a week. 2. Brown Sugar Natural Blackheads Remover. Brown sugar is gentle exfoliator as it sloughs away dead skin and makes skin completely smooth. If you are suffering from blackheads, then using brown sugar scrub will be effective. Take 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix them well and then apply it on your clean face. Now, massage your face gently for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. 3. Baking Soda Natural Blackheads Remover. Baking soda has abrasive properties, and that is why it is best to get rid of whiteheads and blackheads. Take 2 tablespoons of baking soda powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of raw milk. Mix the 3 ingredients well and then apply it on your face, concentrating more on affected parts like nose and chin. Let it stay for 5 minutes so that it's semi-dry, and then using wet fingers massage your face in circular motion. This massage will remove dead skin and will remove blackheads by unclogging pores. Repeat it every week. End this treatment by applying a toner. 4. Oatmeal Blackhead Scrub. Take 1 tablespoon of ground oatmeal powder and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in it along with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and mix them well. Apply it on your face and massage your face gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave the scrub on for 15 minutes before you rinse off. Repeat it for 2 to 3 times a week to get rid of blackheads. Oatmeal exfoliates skin gently, and it is also natural absorbent which removes excess oil from face, thus prevents blackheads formation. 5. Deep Clean Blackheads with Cinnamon Scrub. Take cinnamon powder. If you don't have cinnamon powder, then you can take cinnamon sticks and make powder by grinder it. Also add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey and a teaspoon of cinnamon into the mixture. Apply it on the blackheads very gently and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. This scrub can cause slight burning sensation and redness initially for few minutes. You can repeat the scrub once a week